Sometimes you just need something super easy, super fast, super flavorful, and salt and pepper gets really boring. So I have the whole filet of the salmon here, and I have 4 very, very, very easy, fast recipes to make. I have this one called chipotle salmon. This one is citrus salmon, Saigon salmon, and Nordic salmon. Yeah, it's like candy, right? You just have a different favorite every day of the week. Okay, so we are going to slice our salmon in 4 different pieces because we don't want all these lovely flavors to run together on the same piece of salmon. We're gonna separate them just a little tiny bit. I have char siu barbecue sauce, chipotle in adobo sauce, and honey in this one. Okay, then we have our citrus, lemon, lime, and orange, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Saigon, chili, garlic, ginger, a little bit of soy, and then Nordic. Sour cream, dill, salt, and pepper. Super easy. Anything but boring here. You can do this in your oven. We are gonna actually pop it in the pellet smoker. Internal temperature of about 58. But it's salmon. You can take it out before, you can take it out after, it's however you like it. Wow, look at this piece of art. It's like salmon for every day of the week. I think I'll try Tuesday. Oh.